Hey guys, today we are making this amazing tasty ginger cardamom tea. This tea is really useful and good for you when approaching a winter season or fall. And I take it like in afternoons. And in this tea, ginger will help you to boost your immunity, and cardamom will soothe down any inflammation if you have in your body. So I've added 1 cup of water and some sliced ginger and some 4 to 5 cardamom. And now we're waiting to come to the stew and boil. Yeah, now it has come to this boil, and now I'm adding 1 cup of 1 tablespoon of tea in it. See, look at the color, it looks so lovely. And trust me, it smells really nice too. This is the best way to have a very, relaxing afternoon to overcome those lazy afternoons. Now I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of milk, organic milk. You can for vegan people, like you guys can add almond milk as well. I don't prefer boiling almond milk. I just add it separately. But then for regular normal milk, cow milk, you can add it directly into the tea. Now this has come to a boil, and our tea is almost ready. We're gonna let it boil for a couple of minutes. It smells really good. If you have bad throat, any kind of, if you feel feverish, if you have fever, down with fever, this tea will be really amazing for you. Now I'm just gonna pour it into my cup. My cute cup. This is my favorite cup, guys. And I really prefer having my tea in this cup. And by the way, I got this cup from TJ Maxx, if you guys are wondering. So yeah, our tea is now ready to sip. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I love if you guys will support. Thank you. Bye bye.